In this video, I'll show you how to change the game directory in OpenIV the correct way without errors. Open OpenIV and select Tools and select Options and go to Game and select Change Directory. Navigate to the new game directory. Select the game folder and select folder option. You need restart OpenIV to apply changes. Click on OK. Close and reopen the OpenIV. Now again go to Tools, Options, Game, and as you can see, new game location has been selected. There is no mods folder in my game, as you can see. And that's how you can change game directory in OpenIV. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.